Is TubeBuddy worth it? Okay, so I've been on YouTube for quite a number of years. I'm recording this video. You can see at the moment on my channel I've got 23,700 subscribers. I'm not a massive YouTuber. I have been on YouTube for quite some time, and it does generate for me a useful secondary income alongside with some of my others. But one of the best tools that I've certainly used out there is TubeBuddy. So is it worth it? Well, what I'm going to do is show just one very powerful tool. So I've got TubeBuddy loaded into my browser here, and so if I click on TubeBuddy, by the way, if you can get TubeBuddy using the link in the description, and I am an affiliate with them. I think I'm an affiliate with them. I don't know if I'll get a bonus or anything actually, but there'll be a link in the description. Now, one of the key things that I really like with TubeBuddy is their Keyword Explorer. So if you click on Keyword Explorer, you can type in the keyword here and see how much competition there is. So, is TubeBuddy, and you can see it comes up with alternative search results. So is TubeBuddy worth it? Is TubeBuddy safe for YouTube? Is TubeBuddy free? Is TubeBuddy worth the money? So I'm going to look at is TubeBuddy worth it, which is the title of this video, which gives you a hint that it could well be a good search phrase. So let's pop that in there. And it's now going to explore. So what it does, it gives an overall rating. The overall score is fair, 37 out of 100. And that actually to me is a good score. The search volume is poor. It's not a massive amount of search, but the competition is almost in the bright green. It's very good. That means there's not much competition for this particular search phrase. So personally, I like to go for search phrases that may not have massive volume, because generally speaking, if they've got a massive search volume, they're going to have massive amounts of competition as well. So a 37 out of 100 is a good score. So it may well be that you've found my YouTube video because I've targeted this phrase, is TubeBuddy worth it? And that's the video you're watching here. And the reason I've done this video is because that's a phrase that I think I can do well for on YouTube, and the very fact you're watching this suggests that that has been the case. Now, optimization strength, because this is what's called a long tail keyword, there's more than one word in there. TubeBuddy is very focused. It's excellent scoring on optimization. So by using those 4 key words in my search phrase, the competition is poor. For those particular phrases, or for those 4 words in that order, I can really optimize this quite nicely. The search volume isn't brilliant, but I'm okay with that. You can also look at the results. So the current results for this, you can see who you're up against. So number 1, TubeBuddy and vidIQ aren't what they seem. Clever. That's quite a good tag clickbait sort of line there, isn't it? Is TubeBuddy worth the money? I may do another video on that, because when you see is TubeBuddy worth, let's have a look at that, the money, click on explore, and we'll see what the overall score is here. Ow, that is brilliant. Yes, is TubeBuddy worth the money? I'll do another video on is TubeBuddy worth the money, because that's a 96 out of 100. It's got a good amount of search, very little competition, and it's very easy to optimize that. So yeah, let's go back to is TubeBuddy worth it, because that's what I've specifically already researched for this particular video. So I'll do that. And by having a second video with the is TubeBuddy worth the money, then that will also help the optimization of your own videos. If you've got several videos along the same sort of category area, that is also going to help you in your ratings in the results. Let me just yeah, I'll finish the video on that. I think that gives you enough of a clue. I think for just the Keyword Explorer itself, it saves me a huge amount of time, gives me an approximate score, so it allows me to focus on finding key phrases, gives me ideas as well for videos to do, check out the competition, and you know, the research is a key part of doing videos. Doing videos in one sense is relatively easy, but with the effort that comes in by using Keyword Explorer with TubeBuddy, I think it's absolutely fantastic. There's loads of other features with it as well, but I just wanted to show you that one, and that alone for me is worth the money. Like I said, link in the description if you want to know more opportunities about how to put your money to work, learn more optimization ideas for YouTube. Do subscribe to my channel, do pass any comments, I read all of those, answer if I can, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks for watching.